Mega Goal 1.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear student? I hope you're fine. Our lesson for today, expansion units 4 to 6. مراجعة للوحدات من الوحدة الرابعة حتى الوحدة السادسة. Page number 96 and 101. Expansion 1. Language review. A. Give your advice or opinion about the following. Use should or shouldn't. قم بتقديم رأي أو نصيحة. استخدم صيغة should أو shouldn't. B. Rewrite sentences about using had better. قم بإعادة كتابة الجملة باستخدام صيغة had better. Now we will see the answer. C. Complete the sentences or write sentences using ought to. قم بإكمال الجمل التالية أو استخدم صيغة ought to. D. Complete the sentences with reflexive pronouns. أكمل الجمل التالية باستخدام الضمائر الانعكاسية. Now we'll see the answer. E. Substitute the words in parentheses with one of the following two words verbs. قم باستخدام صيغ الأفعال التالية الموجودة بين الأقواس وقم بكتابة الفراغ في الجمل التالية. Now we'll see the answer. Paradise Resort Hotel and Spa. Complete the following between the word between parentheses. قم بكتابة الفراغات الجمل الموجودة بين الأقواس أو الكلمات الموجودة بين الأقواس. 2. Reading. Okay, dear student, now I will listen to the audio. Would you please pay attention for the listening audio?
Expansion, Units 4 through 6. Pages 98 and 99. 2. Reading.
Teenage stress. Definition. Stress. The mental and physical strain or the non-specific response of the body to any demand made upon it. Stress is a chemical reaction that takes place inside the body when there is a basic need to adapt to or resist changing internal or external influences. It is a response meant to return the body and mind to a state of equilibrium and balance. The causes of stress. Although adolescence is often viewed by parents as a carefree period of life, some studies show that teenagers experience the most stress of all people. They can experience stress related to money, family problems, self-esteem, acceptance by their peers, getting accepted into college, choosing a career, and pressure to do well in school, sports, or clubs. According to experts, one of the main reasons for stress is that childhood has gotten shorter and the perception of children has changed. Since TV is available to all audiences, children can get messages that were probably meant for adults, and the dividing line between childhood and adulthood is less and less clear. Children do not play as many of their own games as they used to, and most of their games and sports nowadays are those preferred by adults. Youngsters wear similar clothing to that of adults, and they use adult language that was once never to be heard from a child. Young people these days are under tremendous pressure to achieve, to please, and to succeed. They are expected to adjust to social changes that past generations have never had to deal with. The demands made on preteens and teens by modern life have definitely increased the level of stress. Tips for dealing with stress. All humans experience stress. It is a necessary part of life. The response to stress is what often needs to be controlled. A person's feelings, attitude, and outlook on life affect his or her ability to deal with stress. You should avoid unnecessary worry. Thinking about a problem in order to arrive at a solution can be positive, but constant worry is not constructive, and it accomplishes nothing. It usually just makes situations more stressful. Read and listen to the Quran. It will help refresh your heart and mind. Remember that prayer and patience can combat stress and anxiety. Be thankful of what you have and start each day on a positive note. Remember that each day is a gift. Thank Almighty for the gift of life and greet the day with optimism and gratitude. Remember that you are not alone. Become better organized. Plan activities a step at a time so that parts are accomplished. This gives you more self-esteem and more reasonable deadlines. You should be aware of the symptoms of stress. Some symptoms are moodiness, insomnia or other sleeping disorders, lowered body resistance to colds, flu, or other diseases, preoccupation with negative, angry thoughts or feelings, unusual behavior patterns, loss of appetite, or eating disorders such as anorexia or bulimia. When you know you have a problem with stress, try to solve it one step at a time. Part of the problem could be trying to do too much at once. You should take it in easy stages. Conclusion. Stress doesn't need to be negative. Some doctors say that you should laugh and smile more frequently to help deal with stress. When you laugh and smile, your body relaxes, and the result is an overall positive reaction. Don't forget that it is the effort that counts more than the result.
After reading, A. Match the words with the meanings. قم بربط الكلمات التالية مع المعاني الصحيحة. Now we'll see the answer. B. List the causes of stress for teens. قم بكتابة أسباب الضغوطات عند المراهقين. Discussion. Look at the list you made of things that make you same things stress them out. قم بكتابة هذه الأسباب بالشكل التالي. Okay, this is an example of answer. هذا مثال على حل هذا السؤال. 3. Writing. كتابة. Write 2 or more important things that cause stress in your peers. Give some advice for handling these things. Copy the organizer below into your notebook and write your notes in it. Then use it to help you write. Okay, the student now will see the answer of this writing. اكتب شيئين أو أكثر من الأشياء المهمة التي تسبب التوتر لدى رفاقك. أعطي بعض النصائح للتعامل مع هذه الأشياء. انسخ هذه المعلومات في دفترك واكتب هذه الملاحظات في الجدول التالي ثم استخدمه لمساعدتك على الكتابة. Something that causes stress in your age group. شيء يسبب لك التوتر في فئتك العمرية. Reason it causes stress. الأسباب التي تؤدي إلى الإجهاد. Your advice. النصائح. Flip-flops. Okay, the student, read it by yourself, this chant. Vocabulary. A. Guess the meaning of the following words and expressions. B. What does expression everyone flipping with the flobbies everywhere mean? Choose the answer. ما معنى هذه الصيغة؟ اختر الإجابة الصحيحة. Comprehension. أسئلة الفهم. Answer the questions about the chant. قم بإجابة الأسئلة من خلال النص السابق. Now we'll see the answer. سنرى الإجابة الآن. 5. Project. المشروع. قم عزيزي الطالب أنت وأحد زملائك بكتابة هذا المشروع والتناقش فيه، ثم بعد ذلك قم بكتابة المعلومات في هذا الجدول. والمطلوب عزيزي الطالب اختيار أحد المنتجات والتحدث عنها وكتابة إعلان منمق أو بصيغة صحيحة في كلمات تكتبها في هذا الجدول. Okay, dear student, this section at workbook which relate to our unit for expansion unit 4 to 6. هذا القسم الخاص بهذه الوحدة التابعة في كتاب النشاط. هذا والله أعلم، وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى أفضل الصلاة والتسليم. لا تنسى الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس والإعجاب ونشر القناة بين الطلاب ليستفيد الجميع.